Hi, this is an overview of your self-evaluation. So this is a time you're started in your practicum. It's time to, again, take a step back and look at where you want to be in the future. And this is not set in stone. This is just things to start those wheels turning as far as where you want to go with your career. So what we're going to do is develop a 3 to 5 year strategic plan for yourself. So what you're going to focus in on as you're doing this assignment that happens to be worth 7.5% of your grade, just so you know, you're really going to focus on your strengths and opportunities for growth and try to avoid thinking in terms of weaknesses. Really look at how to build on your strengths and how to really grow and thrive within your particular career trajectory. So keep that in mind. Keep that positive focus, that forward focus. So what we're going to do is develop some goals and some objectives, and make sure that your objectives, again, just as you did in your goals and objectives assignment, your objectives need to be SMART objectives. So make sure that you touch on that they're specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time sensitive. All of those factors need to be included in your objectives. So you're going to devise a 3 to 5 year strategic plan, and you can actually do the plan in bullet points if you would like, if it's easier to do so, and really think about your strengths and opportunities for growth. And your strategic plan needs to coincide with what you've developed as far as your goals and objectives, as well as integrating professional and networking organizations in that process. So you want to think big picture, not just a role. You want to think about how you function within the profession as well, and how you contribute to the profession or your area of expertise. So keep those things in mind. You do need to have a cover page, and when you use references, and you'll probably have at least some references regarding the networking organizations and how that keys into your plan. So some students like to take a look at the American Organization of Nurse Leaders, their competency. Sometimes that's helpful. So just kind of keep those things in mind, or if there's a particular organization that is based on your specialty, you may want to look at competencies within that particular group as well. So make sure that it's clear and understandable. It doesn't have to be hugely extensive. What we're doing is we're just developing those strengths and opportunities, kind of write that out in paragraph format. You're going to do your goals and objectives and your timeline for your self-strategic plan, and you can do those in bullet points and then bring it all together to kind of do some concluding remarks. So again, make sure that everything's structured well, grammar, sentences, and it doesn't have to be very long, only about 2 pages in length, in addition, of course, your cover page and reference list. So let me know if you have any questions whatsoever, but I look forward to reading your strategic plan for yourself. Take care now.